Hello, my name is Shane Lawrenson from OPS Public Safety. We're here today to talk about the MAXX slide rollout systems. Have you ever tried climbing in the back of your pickup truck on a cold winter day or a rainy day? You slip, you fell, you hurt your knee? Well, great news. We're here to talk about something that will solve that problem. The three main benefits of this product are: number one, all aluminum, which means lightweight but robust. Number two, single handle application, so you open the drawer with one hand and you shut the drawer, open the rollout with one hand and you can shut the rollout with one hand. Number three, modular design, which means configurable to your application. This is the SWAT Commander package. Some of the features of this package are: we have an open compartment in the rear for robot storage or any bulk storage, and we have our file drawer, which can also be made into a Type 3 ATF cabinet.
Go.
Top weapon drawer comes with dividers, industrial rubber matting. On the bottom drawer comes with a whiteboard to complete and execute your command tasks.
Go.
This compartment has a locking door to secure valuable items. And the rear section is open for easy access to items you need quickly. For any application, for any public safety agency, we have the solution for you. Call us at 630-994-3300. Thank you for watching.